up, boss? It's JakeMans21, and today we're going to be making a nacho platter from scratch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, peace. Cut your wraps into nacho-shaped slices. After you do that, pop them in the oven for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Put the nachos into oil at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Take them out after 1 to 2 minutes. Now we're going to chop up some tomatoes and mash avocado. After you do that, combine them together in a single pot and mix it about. Add a teaspoon of cumin and a teaspoon of lime juice. Now you have to shred up lots of cheese into a bowl. Add olive oil, finely chopped white onion, minced vegetarian beef, and some vegetable stock to a pan. Stir it about and let it simmer on low heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then you want to add in your spices. I chose add cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, ginger, chili flakes, taco mix, salt, and pepper. After you do that, mix it about to get all the spices integrated into the mix. Add on top your vegetarian mince, grated cheese, and then put it in the oven for approximately 5 minutes at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Take it out and put your guacamole on top. You can also add sour cream if you wish. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Nacho platter.